Hello everyone. My name is Gnanaraja. I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant. I'm going to present you this wonderful video called Immunity Health. This video will help you to understand about immunity and how to improve your immunity levels and so on. So there are two types of immunity. One is innate immunity. The second one is acquired immunity. Innate means from within. Acquired means the one which we acquire over a period of time. There's one out of them. Acquired immunity, there are two types: active immunity and passive immunity. And in the active immunity and passive immunity also, there are two ways, that is natural and artificial. If you get it from the natural sources, that's natural way, and artificial is the one through vaccines and other ways, like how you improve the immunity levels. And with the passage of the time, what you get is adaptive immunity. Innate immunity comes from within, like in every body has the white blood cells. In white blood cell there are a lot of types called eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils and other cells. So they try to help you overcome the infection and those kind of stuff. So that immunity over a period of time from within, and it if the immunity keeps on going over a period of time, it's called with a period of time, passes the time, it's called adaptive immunity. But what is good is in both having innate immunity as well as adaptive immunity. And there are 5 kinds of immunoglobulins. The immunoglobulins are the white blood cells, some kind of like a policeman. There are these white blood cells, they try to fight over the free radicals or infections or any kind of antigens. Antigens are the like a poisonous substances, and antibodies are the ones which will be produced by the body from the white blood cells. It. So these are the 5 types of immunoglobulins. That's called IgA, IgD, IgE, IgG, and IgM. Right. So now there is one more concept called herd community. What is this herd community? Meaning over a period of time, entire population, the demography, acquire certain kind of immunity by constantly exposed to antigen or some kind of infection. Then it's called herd immunity. Over a period of time, entire population itself getting the immunity. So now there are a lot of tips to support your immune system. Number one is maintain a balanced diet, wash your hands and maintain your proper hygiene, get adequate rest, 8 hours of sleep and exercise, and hydration. Water is very important. And WHO says smokers are vulnerable for infections. So that's the reason why you have to overcome the sickness by reducing your smoking habit. And alcohol is also bad for in terms of immunity. So now you want to develop good immunity levels, you require to cut down or reduce or better to avoid alcohol. And alcohol is responsible for a lot of deaths. It's 3 million deaths in a year. This will help you definitely by losing weight. So this actually increases the immunity in a other way. You can actually, it is very much beneficial for you. So we have the products called Formula 1 Nutrition Shake Mix, and this makes like a shake. This will be helpful for contributing for all kinds of proteins and vitamins and minerals. That's how it indirectly helps you for increasing the immunity. And this also is a good substitute for a breakfast. It has also got lot of awards for as a healthy meal, healthy breakfast. And sleep is also important contributing factor for immunity. The 8 hours of sleep is important, and the sleep actually help you for improving self-esteem and as well and memory also. So sedentary lifestyle is also one of the bad thing. You sitting at one place and not moving. So that's the reason why better to do exercise. Exercise actually has a lot of health benefits. It can avoid 7 kind of cancers. So benefits, lot of benefits are there, including it increases the muscle mass and bone mass. It also increases the immune system. Okay, it also helps you to increase the sleep also. It has a lot of health benefits. So that's the reason why we advise you to do exercise. Plus along with exercise, we also have different kind of products for pre-workout and post-workout during the workout, particularly H24 hydrate. It has all the electrolytes that is actually good for you, during the workout period. And we also have H24 rebuild strength that good for post-recovery shake, because it has all the BCCS, branch chain amino acids, and L-glutamine. So it good nutrition and healthy active lifestyle actually support immunity health. So you require to have a proper nourishment and lifestyle, good lifestyle. So now balanced nutrition is very important for you. towards your goal of improving the immunity life. So that's the reason why we always tell you go for balanced diet. And Ayurvedic proverb says when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use, and when diet is correct, medicine is of no need. Means diet is fundamental, everywhere it's required. And this is again 400 BC, Hippocrates, father of medicine, says let food be your medicine, not medicine be your food, meaning you require to have proper food as the medicine. So this is what Dr. Linus Pauling, he says, he was awarded with twice Nobel Prize. He says nearly all diseases can be traced to a nutrition deficiency. Meaning what? Directly or indirectly, nutrition is the important contributing factor for your immunity. And this is the illness and wellness continuum. If you cannot, if you think wellness is expensive, then try illness. Illness is too much expensive actually compared to wellness. So wellness is always good for you. So that's the reason why we always treat ourselves to be always on par with higher healthy people. We should not compare ourselves with weak people. Okay, so wellness health, if it goes down, it goes to survival health. If further goes down, slips into sickness health. So what you have to do is improve one more step, right? So that's the reason why all the time remember your food very important, and decisions are important. Sometimes there is a choice between eating cake and eating fruits. So what is that you require to take? Fruits is the better one. So nutrition is definitely better one. And don't go for sugary foods. Sugar also contributing for high sugar also contribute for bad immunity. So be smart, drink water. Drink water is the best one instead of sugary drinks. And we also have the low glycemic index, low GI nutrition. So it actually helpful for you for any kind of people, particularly for diabetic people. So hydration, we have hydration instead of going for junk food or sugary juices. You can also take this Herbalife 24 Hydrate, or aloe drinks. We have different kind of drinks, aloe vera based. So aloe vera also is one of the important herb for immunity. Lot of research articles also promoting that, as aloe vera has a lot of health benefits. So that's the reason why we have in our company Aloe Plus in terms of capsule. We also have a herbal aloe concentrate in terms of liquid form, gel kind, right? So now I also take this immunity boosting energy tea. Basically, we have one product called a fresh energy drink. It is available in tulsi, Krishna tulsi, cinnamon, and peach, ilachi, ginger, lemon, different flavors. So you can add along with afresh. You can also add aloe concentrate, also add turmeric, also add ginger. These are also a lot of herbs also will be helpful for you to improve or boost your immunity levels. So afresh is almost less calories. It's made up of orange pekoe extract and green tea extract and natural caffeine powder. Green teas and orange pekoe also they're considered to be very beneficial for in terms of immunity levels. And it also has the aroma of Krishna tulsi leaves. And gut health is equal to immunity, it. So a lot of prebiotics and probiotics are coming up now. We have the Simply Probiotic one product in terms of sachet. Microbiome is called the second human genome, the inner bacterial rainforest. It's a newly discovered organ. So whereas if you compare with other probiotic foods like yogurt, they actually digest in the gut. So because of gastric juices, whereas this Simply Probiotic has the actual 1 billion bacteria, Bacillus coagulensis. It's a live bacteria is there in terms of sachet. This can able to withstand the heat of the gastric juices. So this is very easy to have it, convenient, just like a sachet. So this will be helpful for you in terms of improving your immunity levels. And it gut bacteria, gut is called our second brain. So once the brain is strong, so second brain immunity also will be higher. And there is, I need not tell you about vitamins and minerals that affect the immune system. Lot of research is there on the beneficial effect of the vital amine, vitamin amine. Vitamin means vital amine, vitality, and amine is life. Vitamin A, beta carotene, and vitamin B group, B1, B2, B6, B12, and folate, and vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, iron, selenium, zinc has a lot of health benefits in terms of nutrition and also for immunity levels. So we have 90 essential nutrients. Out of 90, at least try for 43 essential nutrients. Essential means you require every day. Body cannot manufacture it. But if you wanted to have them naturally, you require without the supplementation. Very difficult, very tough. Why? Vitamin E, to get this 450 international units, you require 33 heads of spinach, 27 pounds of butter, 80 medium avocados, 80 mangoes. To get vitamin D, 600 international units, 22 large egg yolks are required, or 6 cups of fortified milk, or 30 tablespoons of margarine, which is very difficult. To get 1300 milligrams of vitamin C, you require to eat 17 medium kiwi fruits or 16 medium oranges or 160 medium apples. So you understand how much difficult it is. So likewise, I given the chart. So it's not so easy. Looks wise, theoretically it looks easy, but it's not so practically not possible to get so much of RDA in terms of vitamins and minerals. So now most of the things, vitamins get evaporated, they get denatured once you cook it with a very high temperatures. So that's the reason why our cooking methods have, there's a problem in getting our nourishment. And by leaching, when you drain the water, it also gets vitamins will get lost. And baking soda, certain alkalis also, they kill the vitamins. And that's the reason why our food is dividing of nutrition or depleted of nutrients because of three methods. So three reasons. One is improper growing methods, improper storing methods, improper cooking methods. And this is a study based on National Staff Nutrition and Indian Dietetic Association, in which it is covered in the G News. It says 66 to 73% of B vitamins are less in our plate, and particularly zinc, certain micronutrients, 43 up to 43% is actually missing in our mother nature only, mother earth itself. When the nutrition is in itself is not there in the earth, then how can you expect in normal food, right? So our food is, when it's less in nutrients, naturally our India is becoming like a sickness capital. Bimari Bharat, national sample survey organization classified, it's full of hospitals are full, everywhere full. So do you want to become part of the hospital, or you want to come out of hospital, don't want to go towards hospital? So then you require immunity. For that immunity require definitely multivitamin mineral supplement. So we have this Herbalife multivitamin mineral, which is a blend of 23 essential vitamins and minerals and herbs. So this is actually very natural form. So compared with synthetic form, these are very natural, so easily absorbable form. We also have a cell activator, say basically based on alpha lipoic acid, and it's full of antioxidants, good for a healthy aging also. And vitamin C is very wonderful in terms of immunity level. So 65% of vitamin C is getting through Herbalife 24 Hydrate. 65% of RDA of vitamin C is available through Herbalife 24 Hydrate. You can try this either during the workout or otherwise also, just like a drink you can have it. So H24 Hydrate has a lot of health benefits, and many scientists, they give the connection between calcium and vitamin D and immunity. And if you don't take vitamin D alongside calcium, then calcium will not get absorbed. So now if the vitamin D, E and calcium are levels also high, so immunity levels also very high. And one more interesting correlation between the immunity and the essential fat is omega-3 fats. We have Herbalife line. It's based on omega-3 and fatty acids and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. So this also have proved to be very good for immunity boosting. And we also have the Nightworks based on nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide, the molecule itself is discovered by Dr. Louis Gennaro, particularly with reference to heart health. And he said it has a lot of health benefits. And we also have the personalized protein powders. And this personalized protein powder is very easy to absorb and very high quality protein. So it has PDCA1, protein digestibility corrected amino acid score of 1, which is very good for protein absorption. So we have the shake. So try all these products, or whichever you like, whichever supplements you like. But ultimately remember, health is like money. We never have a true idea of its value until we lose it. So it's always a good idea to be proactive rather than reactive. So where is the ideal investment? You wanted to invest on life insurance policies or on wellness. So life insurance policies, a lot of people spend, I'm not telling you it's bad, but I'm telling you don't get the benefit. Your beneficiary is somebody. After your deaths, it goes to someone, your dependent. I'm telling you that is also okay, but what if you work on improving your lifespan? So wellness is much better than life insurance. That's what I feel. So I'm telling you, so invest more of your money on wellness, maybe less money on the life insurance. It's okay, but take care of your body. It is the only place you have to live. This is what Jim Brown says. Our spirit goes away once you die. So our spirit lives in our body. So that means we are living in our body. So we have to treat our body like a temple. So that's the reason why you require to improve your immunity level. So this video might have given you a lot of insights about the wellness and immunity health. So you want to know more about me? My name is Gnana Raju. I worked as a Group 1 officer before for 10 years in Andhra Pradesh government and resigned. And now I'm full-time into Herbalife Nutrition. For last 17 years, we've been working here. And I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, marathon runner and cyclist, and a lot of things are there. So you want to reach us, you can, these are the phone numbers are there, Facebook, Instagram, emails, everything is there. So be in touch with us. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. I hope you got the point. And it's nice, thank you so much. Nice talking to you. Nice meeting you. And thank you for your wonderful time and valuable time. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Please share this video if you think this is very helpful for you. Okay. All the best. Bye.